timeshare termination team. They're going to get you out of your timeshare legally and permanently, guaranteed in writing, 100% success rate. And just get the job done. I want you to do your own homework. A lot of people out there trying to scam you on this. Give them a call, put an end to those maintenance fees legally and permanently. Right now, you'll get... wireless earbuds, yours for $10 a month. Ask for them when you go online, 888, online at classicalwcrb.org, or when you give us a call, 888-995-9272.
And right now is the perfect time to donate, not only to get the earbuds, but there's also a 2-for-1 match going on right now. Here's how it works. You give $100, you give $10 a month, and a generous group of WCRB supporters will triple that donation. The WCRB, they are encouraging you to give during the short membership drive, and this is the only time that you can triple your buying power to WCRB. So don't miss your only chance to triple your gift and pay for even more music you love at classicalwcrb.org, or pick up the phone, give us a call, 888-995-9272.
You know, our fall membership drives usually go 7 days. This is just a 3-day drive. This is the next half day of our fall membership drive. We do a lot of work in a short amount of time, and we're counting on you to do your part right now with your support. 888-995-9272 or online at classicalwcrb.org.
And it takes just 2 minutes to become a sustaining member of WCRB. We need a little information, a monthly amount you'd like to give. It's automatically deducted from your checking account and credit card, and it just takes 2 minutes, and you would help bring classical music to Boston. It's easy as that. So give now, classicalwcrb.org, 888-995-9272.
Those 2 minutes right now will be so beneficial to us with this 2-for-1 match that's in effect. Your contribution will go 3 times as far thanks to a very generous group of WCRB members encouraging you to take advantage of this great offer. The only 2-for-1 match with this drive.
A shooting happened in a parking lot on Toby Street on August 20th. The victim was Tipping Moore of Providence. The police department has released a video showing a man they are seeking information on. A Middletown man is being charged with seeking over $4.5 million in coronavirus stimulus loans. The U.S. Justice Department says that Michael Mueller of Middletown filed the loan through the Paycheck Protection Program to pay employees for a Fall River, Massachusetts-based business for which investigators could not find any records. Mueller, who was previously sentenced to Rhode, allegedly was able to collect over $500,000 in PPP loans. In sports, Red Sox face the Orioles, Celtics face the Heat. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradioli.com.
People are lined up to pay their respects. I'm Dave Anthony, Fox News.
Today we stand in mourning of an American hero, Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
Ceremony at the Supreme Court. Fox's Jared Halpern's live in Washington. The flag-draped casket of the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg is lying atop the U.S. Supreme Court steps in repose. Today and tomorrow, as the mourners pay respects outside with pandemic precautions. This morning, a small group of friends, family, and justices honored Ginsburg in a service in the court's Grand Hall.
It has been said that Ruth wanted to be an opera virtuoso, but became a rock star instead. But she chose the law.
Chief Justice John Roberts says Justice Ginsburg was a leading advocate to fight the gender discrimination she faced early in her career, and then, he says, became a star on the bench. Dave.
Jared, President Trump plans to announce his pick to replace Ginsburg Saturday.
President Joe Biden. Tough to hear Biden say it's an abuse of power through his mask near a plane as the Democratic challenger heads to North Carolina. Now, a Republican-led Senate committee put out a report today after investigating Biden's son Hunter that alleged millions of dollars in questionable foreign transactions. Senate Democrats and the Biden campaign called them false allegations to divert attention away from the president's coronavirus response they call catastrophic. Now, there is a corona hearing at the Senate as a fourth potential vaccine being developed goes to phase 3 clinical trial. Dr. Anthony Fauci just testified.
We predict that sometime by the end of this year, let's say November or December, we will know whether or not these are safe and effective.
Now, there's a confirmation hearing is also underway for Chad Wolf, who's now the acting Homeland Security Secretary. America's listening to Fox News.
Home Team 10 forecast.
For the rest of the day, mostly sunny skies as temperatures continue to climb to the upper 70s with winds that could be gusty at times, 20 to 25 miles per hour. Overnight tonight, mostly clear skies with temperatures in the 50s. And tomorrow, again, heading to the upper 70s with partly cloudy conditions. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Christina Ernie on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
This report is sponsored by T-Mobile for Business.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
You want to be aware of a breakdown in Warwick. It's blocking the shoulder on 95 South